Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching from. I want to prepare spaghetti yummy yummy. I added my vegetable oil, onion, then my red ball grounded pepper. So I fry for like some minutes. And I had my gizzard with stock to eat. No, this is my spaghetti I had to eat. I added my spaghetti to eat. I make sure it fit into the pot, trying to make sure that it fit into the pot. So after that, after fitting it into the pot, then I stir little. I cover the pot and allow it to cook with low heat for like 10 minutes. I add my garlic to it. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Food ready. Ooh, guys. I hope you try this. So yum. I didn't use much things to prepare it, man, but the food was so yummy and I enjoyed it. I enjoyed it, man. Check it out, guys. Check it out. I didn't use much things to cook it, but so yummy. When I say yummy, it was yummy. Yummy. So guys, thank you. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for likes. Thank you for your comments. Thank you. Please guys, please subscribe to my channel. Subscribe guys. Please subscribe. Please, as you watch, don't forget to subscribe, please. Thank you. And also don't forget to like, share, and comment. Don't just watch and pass. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you, guys. Love you.